Hi guys, this video was recorded a few weeks ago. I haven't had much time to record other videos recently because I've been so focused on this project, which I'm getting more and more enthusiastic and optimistic about. So this is going to be the first look at what my first ever prototype of that website is like, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope to share with you guys the progress and the plans that I have in the future. Thanks for watching. So this is going to be your first look at my first draft of this website. I have spent a few hours on it today just to make sure that I can get the functions that I wanted to have to be working. And it is a very rudimentary website at the moment because I am just trying to make sure those features are working. Those features are, to me, the biggest obstacle for this whole project, knowing that I could do it at an economically feasible way and a way that is sustainable if I want to change and learn to manipulate this website in the future. And I think I've gotten it right this time. So let me just show you the most essential functions that I would want this website to be able to provide. So if I go on right now to my website, which is StudyMedHK.com, it will give me a very plain homepage. This doesn't matter because this can easily be changed, and it will be changed into something that's slightly more appealing, but the most important thing is this functional. So the whole point of this is a question bank. So I've just put in this, do you want some hardcore questions, and click here. This will open up a new page which takes you to your courses, and this is where your users will have to log in order to be able to access the course. At the moment, you will not be able to use this course unless I give you specific access, so there's not much point in you trying to come on and click on this right now. So I have a dummy account, which you won't know the password to, and once I've logged in, it will show me my course list. And you can see there are all courses, active courses, and completed courses. If you haven't already been enrolled in the course, there will be new courses for you to select from. But I have already enrolled in this neurology course, which is my dummy course. And you can see that it says I am 0% completed. So if I just click through this, open the course, and within the course, there are going to be lessons. My friend and I haven't exactly planned out how we want this arrangement to be. So at the moment, within this neurology course, we have a dummy lesson for GCS. And if I just click into it, although it is a lesson, we at the moment probably don't plan on adding much teaching content in there when we are just focusing on the questions. And the reason why we still call them lessons is because all the questions have to be associated with lessons using this plugin. So it is what it is. So once I have opened it up, it tells me I haven't completed this lessons quiz yet, and I just have to press view quiz. And now it will show me a bunch of questions. I have set to only show 5 of them. And let's say I just go through them and do them. This might look very simple, but there are some very interesting features that I'll show right after this bit. So once I'm done with these questions, I press complete quiz, and what it does is it will tell me my grade. It will automatically correct them because it's a multiple choice. And it will not only tell me what the right answer is, but it will also have the explanation. So this will really rely heavily on the designers to be able to do this well. And we have answers and explanations for each one of these. And the good thing about this is I can set it so that you can redo the quiz. And what's even more amazing is that in this specific example, I have 10 questions prepared for this quiz. And each time you reset the quiz, 5 questions will be given at random from that pool of 10 questions in a different order. And these answers will be randomized. So you can't just do it through where you memorize the sequence of questions and answers and just go through it. You really have to know your stuff. So far, I haven't set a limit or anything, but you can do these quizzes as many times as you want. And this save quiz option is very useful as well when I have a half completed quiz. And if I press save quiz, it will automatically save my answers, and I can easily exit back to the main page for the course or the main page for this lesson. And if I go back to the quiz again, it will have my answers remembered from the last time. So now if I complete the quiz, I can go back to my lesson, and it will have told me, congratulations, you have completed this lesson. And what this means is that if I go back to the course, it will show me that I have completed everything in this course because I only have one lesson, and that shows me this beautiful progress bar. One thing I find quite useful as well is having this comment section at the bottom. When people have problems with our questions, they can always leave a comment that there is something that we should review if some of the facts are wrong. And really, this is all there is at the moment with this website. I find it to be extremely promising because these are the most key features that I think will be good enough to attract users to want to use this, because this is already quite useful.